Alright, this is gonna be my first video on how to cut a simple text vinyl. I'm gonna do a self-adhesive sticker for a friend of mine, my very first customer, so props goes out to him for trusting me to make him a sign. This is Joe from Heart and Hustle Printing. It's the name we came up with for our little business that we're trying to get started here. And let's go ahead and start this little, can't say tutorial because it's going to be my first one, but I guess we could learn together. I'm using VE LXI Expert, which came with my Vinyl Express R Series 2. So let's get started. So let's resize this. It's going to be 10 inches wide by 5 inches long. So we're going to change the length to 10 inches and the width to 5 inches. It's going to go on the side of his window. Let me change the font here in Design Central. We're going with another dangerous font. We'll go with this one. Move it over here. Make it the length of the whole thing. Just bring it down. We gotta change the color of this to red. There's not a red in here, so we'll just go with burgundy for now. So that's in the fill stroke editor. So as you can see, all these lines in between, we don't want those to be cut. So right here, hold it down, you have the weld tool. I made it a shortcut, I brought it up here. So you click it, combines them all together. Next thing I'm going to do is we're going to add an effect to it. We're going to add a shadow. And we're going to make this black. Hit OK. I think it's set to do it again. Effect. Shadow. We don't want it to be transparent. So there we go. It's going to be red on top of a black. So what I'm going to do real quick is in here, you can come in here and look at the cut order just to see how it's going to cut. And what I want to do is take all these little ones out of here. So let's stop this. So I'm going to speed the video up here so I can get through this real quick. Okay, now that that's done, let's come out, look at the whole thing. Here's how it's gonna look. This is obviously gonna be a bright red with a black background. So I'm gonna add some registration marks in here. Right here. Under effects, pre-contour cut marks. So we got some registration marks in there. You can resize them, but we'll be alright with that. Everything's welded. Make it a little bit bigger. To the edge. To the edge. It will show us, this program right here will show us how to cut. I already showed you, but we'll just look at it again. Right here. So as you see, it showed how it's going to cut. Obviously, it's showing that it's going to cut the black and the red together, but we're going to separate the colors whenever we go to get ready to cut it. So we can go here. We click this one right here. We're set up to the Heart and Hustle COM7, where I have my cutter hooked up to. So we're going to click this blade right here. And this is where you send all colors. So we got two colors. We got black and we got burgundy, which is going to be the red. So we'll go ahead and cut this out. Cut out the black first and then the red, and then we can pick how we want to do it. Single panel, single job, single panel, separate jobs, separate panel, separate jobs. We can add a weed border, horizontal lines, vertical lines, horizontal split lines, and a vertical split lines, or easy weed. So I'm just gonna see if we can add a border in there. We'll add a border. Let's take a look at this. So here it is. There's the cut area. That's gonna be the black, which is gonna be the background. And then we click this one. We zoom in. That's gonna be the front. And then we could click this one. I don't know if it's gonna show that. Nope, didn't show it. Then you could change how you want, which one you want to cut first. We'll go ahead and go with the red first. So we're gonna go with single. We'll go with separate panels, separate jobs. This is my first time doing a two color. My first one. So I don't want to do this and then it says separate panel, single job. I don't know if it pauses in between or what it does. Single panel, separate jobs. So we'll just go with single panel, separate job. So let me put in the red vinyl and then we'll cut it. Alright, so I'm gonna load this vinyl in here. Alright, now that I got the vinyl loaded up in there, let me send it over. So right now the burgundy's cutting, as you can see here, it's 45% done, and the black is ready. Hopefully it pauses after it should, and then we can go to the black vinyl in there. Alright, so the red is done. Alright, so the red's cut. Now we're going to go in there and cut the black. And let's cut the black. Alright, let's weed it. Here's the background. I had put some registration marks on there, but it didn't cut none of them. So, live and you learn. We'll eyeball. Ready? And then all of a sudden, didn't cut there. I'm gonna have to recut that because it didn't cut the R, but the old looks good. So let's see what I have to do. Alright, so I recut them. I don't know what happened the first time, but now everything cut. Look at that.
What are you doing, Mama?
Nice detail. Here's the red
What's the matter with you?
with the background.
What's the matter with you?
This time I was able to put registration marks in there so I can put these right. And then here's the red background
Goodness, you're gonna have so much to say.
with the black letters. So let me get these put together and then we'll check them out. Be right back. Alright, so there it is. Old Crow. Old Crow, here's a Mustang. Goes back to the old school Mustang, I guess.
Keep practicing with their.
That's what he wanted.
And keep the walker
Red with black.
on a low one so her feet touch. So she
Black
can
with
keep
red.
pushing her body up.
My first decal.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is
That's no bad turn. I mean,
Heart and Hustle Printing.
so that. Trent.
See you next time. Maybe I can get better with this program and
Yeah, she would always.
share another tutorial. I know this wasn't much of help to you guys who are professionals, but I'm just starting, and thanks for tuning in.